but I don't know where you are. Hi guys, for today's video, unbox natin itong Brudo BTS 1739 8 inches subwoofer wireless. May isa siyang wireless mic, USB FM radio, karaoke, rechargeable. Ito yung kanyang specs. Mga siyang auxiliary input, mic input, USB SD for MP3 playback. Meron siyang FM, wireless to any audio player with wireless function, guitar input, bass plus. So yun, unbox natin guys yung mga Bluetooth speaker naman kasi wala pang bagong mga player. Wala pang mga bagong player ngayon. So mga Bluetooth speaker lang muna para meron tayong i-content. So yun guys, i-unbox natin itong Brudo BTS 1739. Clear and big sound, feel the sonic thunder. Wow. So unbox natin guys. Itong kanyang wireless mic. Ano lang siya guys, plastic. Tapos yung battery niya is double A na dalawa. So kung naghanap ka ng murang Bluetooth speaker, ito na yung hinahanap mo. Tapos yung kasama niya, meron siyang Type-C to USB para sa kanyang charging. User manual. So ito na siya guys, oh.
Nice.
Medyo magaan lang siya guys, mga 5 kilos or 3 kilos, ganun. So sa kanyang top panel, ito yung makita mo. Mic volume, power, tsaka volume. Mute, mode, previous, playing, tsaka next. Tsaka meron siyang ano guys dito, lagayan ng cellphone. Lagay mo dyan, ganyan. Tapos meron siyang holder dito para mabuhat-buhat. Tsaka sa likod niya, meron siyang breather, auxiliary, guitar input, DC 5 volts for charging, volume ng guitar. Ito is auxiliary input, USB, micro SD card, mic input, volume sa mic input. So yun guys, i-on na natin. On natin. Connect natin sa Bluetooth. Wait lang ha. Bluetooth setting. Yan, connected na.
Two, 1, 2, 3, let's go! Clap your head. You fucking with me. Clap your head. Let's go to work. Clap your head. You fucking with me. Clap your head. Let's go to work.
Better from slow, burning in your eyes. You look at me, they don't want to catch on fire. Buried in my soul, California, holding on to you. Oh, I you to be with me, yeah, if you wanted to. Now I feel you with me, no shot, you when you cry. I'll be your love and doctor of the night.
Try natin ng mic, guys.
Sound check, check mic sound check, sound check, sound check, echo. So, yung adjust ng echo dito. Sound check, check mic sound. Sound check my sound. Okay, sound check. Sound check.
So, try natin kantahan, guys.
When I feel that the world's been bad, and I need you so bad, but I don't know where you are. I could ride these streets, Lord, it's everywhere. No wishes in the air. Sound check. When I'm gone, you can take good care of everything. When the people wearing your pretty ring. When you're gone, in your dream, in your heart, in your life. Sometimes I wanna run to you, like lovers do. And I feel just for a moment without you. Pretending I still fall in you. And even when I'm gone.
So, ayun, guys. Maganda naman siya. Yung mic niya, ito yung mic niya. So, kung naghanap ka ng murang Bluetooth speaker, ito na yung hinahanap mo. BTS 1739. BTS 1739. So yun, guys, maraming salamat sa panonood. Please subscribe dahil marami pa tayong i-unbox dito lang sa Shellos Channel.